versus Elite Express. Ballers versus Elite Express quarterfinal number 1. Very interesting matchup. Very interesting matchup. Big matchup this. Oh, go on. Matchup in hot. They're hot, you're fret. Yeah, man. Elite Express. Express? Elite Express. Bad. I watch them on they're going to now. Them man I see you. Ah, them man I big man on the cup. You know, say I want to see man they follow me and all this thing see they are need to live up with it. Yeah. I think friend them ticket now see watch you. I'm friend them ticket now. Well, I'm this live here. I cast off a live still. I cast off a live. By this stage. Go on. Alright, big matchup. Good game, gents. Good game. Alright, we're off. Quarterfinals. Seen there? Wagwan. Yeah, BS Alpha Association, we like it to happen. Project, eh? Johnny project. That's how the color change. That's how the color change. But watch them today. That's it. Bad ball at it. Bad. Yeah, see them. Bad. Wicked ball. Go back in there. You can't talk to me about it because I'm a bad ball from the channel. Anytime I say I'm a bad ball, I'm missing me about it. See me. Hold on, good Rasta. No man, good recovery. Oh yeah, defender boy. Ball game. And boy a player. Ball go by field. Yeah, they look like they're easy me to love it. I knew me to take a joy for watching bad ball. Sorry boy. Dismissal. Rifle. And that thing? Big ball? But big on that? The wider one then? Where keeper can dive? Rotate. You know what? You know what?
Oh, the man forward.
I fall.
No, no,
Good recovery. Yeah, man. Yeah. A match are nice.
Ready, Mark. Kyle, go now. Kyle, go. How are we ready? So you get it in a magic. Him can't hold you. Yes.
now take the keeper, boy.
Yeah, man. Keep on ready, you know. No, don't walk in front of the camera. Don't walk in front of the camera.
See no down here. Gone, man. It's a kick there like a rocket.
Hey, come on, take him. Yeah, take him. Ready, come up more.
Touch. Well done, boy. Boy, can tackle, man. Sure.
Stop him, Brady. Stop him. Stop him, Brady. Stop him. That's it, Brady. That's it. Lovely Makanaki. Lovely Makanaki. Lovely. Brady, now you. Lovely trial. Lovely trial.
Call the ball. Brother,
Sorry, Makanaki.
wicked man now.
You're not passing. You're not pass the ball.
You can't catch it again. Can't catch it again. It's too far from you.
Quick. Andre. Lovely Brady.
Carry it over.
In there, Brady. In there. Hey, somebody have to pay attention. Nari, focus in a brother.
Again.
Focus right to can't lapse another one here. Lovely, what? Take him, Brady. Dead. Referee.
They call us.
Cavani, you. Hard and low.
Sorry, boy. Good delivery. Very good delivery.
Alright, turn him on. Let's go, Brady. Turn him on. Yeah, man, you're doing good, Brady. Mark him. Yeah, man. Rough it in a Brady. Yeah.
Wait.
Make it go.
I'm strong. People start doing.
Lovely. Wide and now, Brady. Warriors will build, Warriors will build.
It's supposed to thin like a Rizzler.
Warriors will build. All PM, I'm
It's supposed to thin like a Rizzler, but this brother.
Nah, worry about that.
Larry, why you man back turn and you pass the ball, boy?
There.
Wow, good distribution. Very good distribution keeper. Really good distribution keeper.
Sorry, Makanaki. In the Braden. In the Kirk. Fool.
A long throw, man.
Fool.
Wait. I think if it's not that.
Very man, 9-year-old up here, 11-year-old. Yeah. Turn Braden and stick him up. That can't pass you. Hello.
Man, big man, you try if you take it, you know.
I go surprise you, feel the sun?
Yeah.
Lovely Braden. Braden, you have a killer man over your son today. Hey, ball, I break, you know, your mark, you know. When I do, you know, brother,
Let
you
me
know.
see. I smile.
When you see him start smile, no tackle him, you're dead.
Rasta now.
Referee foul. Lovely Braden, keep this now good. Braden, keep this now good. Braden, relax, make sure you go up on target. Referee 5, Braden ask for your 5 on a 5 that. Braden ask for your 5 on a 5 that. Alright, lift up your head and come on. Lock here. Just fix man, steal the man. Yo, down the man. Lovely Braden, lovely. Lovely Cavani, lovely.
How so long you about to take the company thing?
Cavani, you have to take 4 of them man there for pass you, Cavani. 4 of them man there have to take for pass you. The man that can't pass you. Ready Braden, strong. Kirk, stand up over it, Kirk. Kirk, stand up over it. Braden, mark him. Mark his 16, Braden. Mark his 16. Go with him. Braden, follow where captain say.
Watch the game. How much match now, bro?
Long with that one, man.
You ready?
Lovely Braden, lovely. Lovely Braden. Lovely Braden, that's it. Lovely Kyle.
Don't go back, man. Raheem, tell the man to make the man play on the ball a while ago. All you have to do is seal up the ball.
Yeah. Boy, where get the food there from? Where get down there from? Yeah, that come out sweet, your friend. Come on, referee, man.
Lovely guy.
Good try, boy. That's a rigid man. You're aggressive, your friend. Really better throw big side in the place, Big side going like, I don't know, like intimidated. He's a fearless man. Intensity of the game, that's why. Run out fast.
Well done, well done. Let him go and get some water, Dad. Go and get some water, go. Hey, somebody hold up an umbrella and make them cool down, no, man. The umbrella, yeah, tell it.
Young Kings, Young Kings, Young Kings, Young Kings.
Late, man.
Son turn up your nose, the umbrella broke up. Hard, one for hard, the umbrella go through.
Sorry, we are tired.
I'm there trying to preserve myself. I try to preserve man, rough. Alright, Neil. No, your man work smart, you know. Yes, sir. Yeah, no man. I know that to me still you want to look like you have a higher ceiling. Yeah. No, I'm not talking about height. I'm talking about regards, so.
More creative.
Exactly. No, I know it's a creative man. You have good. You have a bigger personality. You have a bigger personality. You out there play, you know him a play. You might make you know him out there play. See no matter. Well done, boy. Hey, best boy, I'm piece of this defensive midfielder and I'm making a see. A good defender, I think. Good defender. Big defender. What's the thing? Good defender. Good defender, man. Watch the defender in the knee for guard drum. In case you have a defender on the knee for guard drum, and never make all like that right time. Yeah, man. You know again.
I bring transition. We go forward here now. Look, aye, good. See our check, that's good.
You have got just what then, yo. You have got just what then. Soccer man. Soccer man. You have got just what then. You know you want to go there go play. You pass the age. You're a few decades behind. I must hear it.
Control. One on.
Lovely Kaya, lovely Kaya. Good.
Ooh. Kick. That one.
Hey! Beautiful!
Nice, nice.
Yeah. Nothing on the game will stop. You know what time it is.
Lovely brain, goal side brain.
Go, take him. Yes, man.
Good. Good.
Bomba goal.
Good. What personality now? Good.
I'm going to bother the foot. I'm going to bother the
Come on. Now you have to bleach or something so that we can come back.
It's a red.
Come on, we understand.
Big goal.
Press them, Sylvia. Watch them.
And we out of New York, we said. We out a special flight, a private flight in flying back.
Big money spent. Big money spent.
Remember me in the days of glory.
Oh! Yes, sir! Don't stop!
Who's that?
Sorry, Maki.
Yeah. I only got footman. Yeah.
Try it.
Yeah, man, turn and watch them again. Turn and watch them. Them are come hard now, you know.
At some point in time to attack him off, you know.
Right, them are come hard, you know.
Alright.
Nah, good.
Yeah, man, beautiful.
I say go, man. They invested.
Abby, you feel running at the man lace, Abby. Abby, stop me distracted, no man.
Your press. Control. Come here.
Referee. Slide. Just cover it. She's a Chelsea man in a blue. That's sure, boy. Well then. The boy have the basic aspect correct. Done. This half I run and play me, that's a set up. This half I run and play me, that's a set up.
Strong man, strong. Don't make no man push you off.
I want to take the rain and come, sir. And that's about the level of humidity here. Come no referee, man. Referee, too much of the man.
Yeah, man, I love that referee. I love that.
This one alone, the humidity roughed up. Control, boy. Match up with physicality.
Cavani, stay away, brother.
I might give it.
Just watch it from under again.
Who invested? This one out there.
Yeah, go and tell him, Cavani. Referee, tell him not do that. Them man that come from 300 City.
Ready to match them physicality, you know.
Cavani pick up the 10 same time.
Where you there?
Kirk, you have the early press, you know, them panic when you press them.
Yeah, boy, keep that ball so good. Take boy. Jaja. Well done, boy.
Don't run in. I might stop it. I'm not telling you not to run in for the maestro. You're dead again. Don't run in.
Freeze the ball.
Lovely brain, man. That's what
Smart. Take your time and go for it.
Yeah. Like it can't fight and all miss and drop.
No, Kirky, no,
You
no.
don't know there's something yet, man. On for.
Mix. Get back. Ready for two. Ready for second break.
God, Makanaki, God. There. Goal. Goal time. Push and kick. Goal.
Long goalkeeper.
You have to put somebody else and get away from the time when yeah.
Press it, Kirky. Come, come on. No, go. Sorry.
Referee. I give him the one.
Braden, you're one. Braden. Braden, you will kick the ball. Braden will kick the ball. Come on. Hey, Nakiri, what you done? See, don't mess up.
Good try, boy. Good try.
No. Kyle. Arrest the forward. Nathan, Mitchell. Yeah, come on, step up now. Kyle, Kirk. Go outside and make Kyle go forward. Kyle, go forward.
Good fight, Matthew. Good fight. Nice biscuit. Again.
Yo, ole ambele. Tako bike full. Let's go and take it.
That's what I'm talking about.
Over to where you go give.
That's what
Just back, come behind the ball. You alright, Nakiri? Once you want to break it, every 14 can come in back, Remember that. Get behind the ball.
Mark it 10, Makanaki. Mark it 10.
Oh, my God.
Come on, it's ever free. Come on, take it 10. Mark it, take yourself. Lovely. Biscuit, mark it, mark it somewhere. Back, push up. Hey, right. Larry, focus. Good press, Makanaki, good press. Leave that, Makanaki.
Take him. Oh, no. That's it, man.
Makanaki, leave that, Makanaki, take your time. Match it. Sorry, girl.
Bobby, go inside, inside, knock it.
move now, no, so move now, no, I got to just say, brother, go on, man, don't come back.
Make it go Cavani, Cavani, relax.
Calm down.
Let your feel set. Hey. Alright. Alright.
Nice Cavani. Nice Baccarat.
Take him, man. Look, slow. Cross.
Sorry. Your corner.
Back on. Give me corner.
Hey, water.
What?
No. Careful.
What? And this me up there?
One cross. What's the
Yeah.
The water, yeah. See water, yeah.
Cavani, come. Oi, come here. Don't make him come off at you. Make him drink some.
Put your head on. Watch out.
Coach, and this me up. Alright, so you know if you manage it now.
Abby, let's check him and see what happens.
Hey, Ryan, focus. Don't pay attention to the chain. Focus. Kyle, goal side. Kirk. 1 minute and it done. Everything for the 1 minute. Jesus. Kirk, you might have to end second.
What is
Drive out a
this
punch.
proper ball?
Drive out a punch.
Get him up.
Larry, ready. 1 minute and it done. 1 minute ready. Focus.
Walk up your ball.
Watch.
Walk up.
Referee time. I told you, see, I no got 3. Come back.
Battery, just kill us all what battery. Kill us all what you're going to
Take off first.
V1, Jesus. Make it go. Hey, low in the man.
Yeah. It's only by this.
Big side.
Try you. Hey.
Let's pass Mike. No turbo better than that. Turbo Kosu. You could ball. When I ask if I turbo Kosu, you never know that. No. What you want, man? No.
I know.
And you take off him shirt and fling it down.
No.
I want to